Hey guys, we received this portable washing machine for test and try. So as you can see, it comes in this small box. So this is a really great for travel that you can take with you after packing this. So in a hotel or anywhere you want, where you can wash your small clothes and things when it is required. So as you can see it here with this small packing thing, the whole washing machine is this much with this cover, and then the small drainage pipe with this rotor thing, and then you can just expand this by pushing this, and this is the washing machine container. You can put in the water, soap, and then this is the drain cup that you can put it in here, and then the drain the water out of your clothes. This is the lid cover, so that's pretty good, and this nice design. Your system is ready. Additional accessories to putting in the clothes outside, the temperature, the water hose, and other things. So this is the pipe for the water drainage, and we will see like the drain and everything and see it's working in a small time.